Y'all, sorry this. Okay, y'all, so this is not a Roblox video though. So, and this is. Ew. Okay. This is an outside video today. Not a Roblox video. I will be playing Roblox very, very soon. Because I got my iPad. It's not nowhere close to me. So, yeah, I'm finna show you all around my home. Well, outside. I have some airplanes over there. Private jets, I call them. I call them private jets, but they're not private jets. And I also have a wheelchair. Oh my God, it's wet. So I'm gonna be driving my bike today. So sorry about that. So I usually go up all the way up the hill, but today I'm not gonna do that. I need to hold my phone tight, cause this is gonna be a very wild ride. Okay. Y'all, I just dropped the phone, so I hope I hold this tight. Gotta hold it. Sorry, you guys have to see me. Oh, if I fall, then I am done. I'm so scared. I have to hold it though. Okay. I'm riding with one hand. This is so hard. Whew. So hard. There's all. Why you don't like being on camera?
Why do you like being on camera?
Cause I love the camera.
I don't.
Why?
I think so.
You don't like photos? Why? Why you do not like photos? Runs over private jet. I will be flying my private jet soon. Well, it's not a private jet, but it's something like a private jet. So I'm gonna be showing y'all that at the end of the video. So I need some WM-40.
WD.
Now it's time to fly my private jet. Walking to my private jet. Woo! My private jet is over there somewhere, so Let's fly my private jet. Y'all, this is my private jet. I ain't got no real private jet. So, we need to get in the shade. Shade zone. Okay.